Hello and welcome to the newest edition of AI Tool Sneak Peek, our weekly series in which we show and tell some cool AI tool capabilities. Today, we are focusing on how to create a user guide from screen recording using GenAI. I've worked with some really talented technical writing teams especially when I was leading the product and leading the engineering. And one of the activities that the technical writing teams used to do a great job of was to create user guide that kind of guides users on how to use the product screen by screen. Okay, and typical workflow that I had seen the technical writers use was to go through the product and then kind of try to document step by step how to open each screen and what is there on each screen and mentioning the value proposition that goes with it. So today I'm going to show you an example of how GenAI can help to ease the entire process, and I'll leverage Google Gemini, uh, Gemini's recent updates to show you what is possible here. As a first step, let me begin by showing you a screen recording of a user interface. I took an AVG software, the antivirus, the security, cybersecurity, home cybersecurity software as an example here. So what I show here is a screen recording which I've done for the part of the product which explains the navigation through it. Let me play this short 30-second video to explain you what is this about. So you're seeing the product is being invoked from the yeah from the option there. Then I'm navigating through each and every screen which is there, the essentially the options which are there on the main screen. And the idea is to navigate through the product and understand what it is, and then later on document what the steps are there to reach a particular screen. Okay, so this give you an idea of the flow that we are covering today. And the model that I'm using to showcase how to create user guide is Google Gemini and a combination of ChatGPT. So Gemini recently came up with some fantastic updates, which kind of makes the Gemini large language model and its capability quite useful for various tasks which are there. And some of these capabilities right now are accessible through what is known as AI Studio. Think of AI Studio as a playground for developers to go and try out the new capabilities and the APIs and experience how they can use and integrate the product, the APIs and the capabilities into the product and application that they might have. So what I'm going to show you now is that I am already in AI Studio, which you can access via aistudio.google.com. And on the left hand side, you see various things that you can do with the AI Studio. What I do for the purposes of use case that we are talking about today is go to starter apps. In the starter apps, I get this screen which talks about explore Gemini capabilities and try these starter apps to interact hands-on with capabilities of Gemini and clone them on GitHub to kickstart your next project. Okay, so we don't need to clone to GitHub for this demo that I'm showing. So what I'm going to do is to invoke the option of video analyzer, which is an interactive video player that lets you summarize, describe scenes, and extract text, search for objects, and more. So essentially, this is a tool that helps you decipher what is happening in a video in a very easy to use sort of a language. And what we'll see is I just click this here, and what the user interface is asking me is to add a video by clicking on the plus icon in the chat input, and I find that plus icon here. I just say upload file. I go get a user interface. I say browse, and as I say browse, I'm already have a video called as AVG demo, and it's a 1.5 megabyte video. It should take a few seconds to upload. I think yes, it is now uploaded. We'll allow it time. As you see on the right pane, now I get explore this video via AV captions, via paragraph, via key moments or table, or there are host of things that you can do with the video which are there. So for today, for this demo, I'm going to be focusing only on audiovisual captions. And I select this option and click on generate. And as soon as I generate, you see a prompt which comes up on the left-hand side, and it is saying how long it is taking to execute this prompt. There's already 10 seconds now. It should be done anytime. As you see now, the on the bottom side, you start to see the various options which are there, which are the captions which are split as per the timestamp, right? I think at 2 seconds, the user clicks on the AVG Internet Security pop-up, opening the AVG Internet Security app. And at 11 seconds, the user clicks on the computer, etc. So this is all that the video analyzer has taken broken the video into the various components or parts and provided a caption for each and every part, and which is what the technical writers uh, one of the things that writers do when they are trying to build a user guide. What else can I do with it? I'll just the left pane. I just there is a down arrow button set times. I just click on that, and what I'll try and do is to copy this entire captions into and like I have done here. And what I'll do is, I have the captions now available, and I can go to ChatGPT in this demo. You can also go to Gemini or Claude or whichever is your favorite AI model. What you can now do is, I already have a prompt written down here, which I'm saying help me extract text from the following screen record transcript and help me write in the format of a user guide. Okay. AI models today, and even if you go back 2 years from today, they're always good at extracting, structured information from an unstructured information, and which is what we are trying to do here. I just copy the script here completely, and I just say go. And as soon as I say go, it will start the process of extracting the text, exactly the prompt that I have given it. And like you see now, you have a draft of a user guide based on the screen recording ready. Okay, it's a draft, right? I think you can make the prompt a little bit more comprehensive for it to draft the sections that you want in the user guide. But what it has done is it has helped read the navigation from the video that you uploaded, the simple screen record video that you uploaded, and it has converted that into a text, which I believe takes away some bit of complexity which is there in building these user guide. I'll just scroll down. You'll see quite a few things in here. It has the description of each and every screen that it went through and how to reach that screen which is already there. It can have various other benefits. A system like this, for example, you are a tester and you record a bug in a small video record video, and you can use video analyzer to convert that into a different steps on how you reach that particular bug, and it can help you save time there. Um, I hope you will try this, explore this a little bit more, and make this capability more useful for you. And I do also hope that you found value with what we showed here today. And we'll be back next week with something else interesting, something else valuable. Till that time, take good care of yourselves and see you soon. Bye.